Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the lucky bamboo, a plant known not just for its unique beauty, but also for the positive energy and good fortune it's said to bring. Whether you're a new plant parent or a seasoned pro, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to keep your lucky bamboo thriving and looking stunning in your home. Let's get started. First off, despite its name, lucky bamboo isn't actually bamboo. It's a type of Dracaena, and it's one of the easiest and most versatile houseplants you can grow. Plus, its elegant stems and leaves make it a popular choice for adding a touch of nature to your indoor spaces. Lucky bamboo isn't just a houseplant, it's a symbol of good luck, positive energy, and even prosperity. It's also an excellent gift for housewarmings, weddings, or simply to brighten someone's day. And the best part? It's super low maintenance. If you're growing lucky bamboo in water, make sure the water level stays above the roots. Use distilled or bottled water, or let your tap water sit for 24 hours to remove chlorine, which can harm the plant. Change the water every couple of months or sooner if it looks murky. Lucky bamboo thrives in moist, well-draining soil. Water it about once a week, making sure the soil doesn't dry out completely or become waterlogged. Lucky bamboo loves bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid placing it in direct sun, which can scorch the leaves. If you notice the plant losing its vibrant green color, it may need a bit more light. Keep your lucky bamboo in temperatures between 65 degrees and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid drastic temperature changes as the plant prefers a consistent environment. Prune off discolored leaves or overgrown stems to keep your plant looking its best. If you'd like to propagate your lucky bamboo, cut a healthy piece of the stem, place it in distilled water, and watch it grow roots. It's that simple. For repotting, choose a slightly larger container, clean it thoroughly, and use fresh water and pebbles for a fresh start. Like other houseplants, lucky bamboo can attract pests like spider mites and mealybugs. Keep an eye on it, and if you spot any, remove them or clean the plant immediately. Yellowing leaves are often caused by chlorine in the water or too much sunlight. Use distilled water and move the plant to a shadier spot. If you're growing your lucky bamboo in water, watch out for algae. Clean the container and replace the water regularly to keep it crystal clear. Did you know the number of stalks in a lucky bamboo plant carries special meaning? Here's a quick guide. 1 stalk, good luck. 2 stalks, love. 3 stalks, happiness, wealth, and longevity, wealth. 7 stalks, good health. 8 stalks, growth, good fortune. Avoid arrangements with 4 stalks as it's considered unlucky in some traditions. And that's everything you need to know about caring for your lucky bamboo. It's an easy, beautiful addition to any home and a symbol of positivity and good fortune. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments how you style your lucky bamboo at home. Until next time, happy planting!